Hey y'all, welcome back to the Project DIY channel. Today's project, we're going to install the Govee Immersion LED TV backlight. Let's get started. Today we're going to be installing an LED TV backlight. This is the Govee Immersion LED backlight. I bought this from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description. This system uses a camera to capture the colors on the screen and transfers them to a backlight behind your TV. Each individual segment of the backlight that mounts to the TV can be controlled separately from the controller so that you get multiple colors around your television while you're watching TV, and these colors match the colors that you're seeing on the screen. This will also work with music. You can play music on the TV and the backlight will change colors based on the beat of the music. This kit comes with the user manual, a power supply, a camera, the LEDs themselves, the controller, and also clips to use to mount the LED to the back of the TV, and some calibration pads that you stick to the screen. I'm going to be installing this to the back of my 65-inch Samsung TV. To install this, we're going to need to clean the back of the TV with the included alcohol wipes so that the LED lights will stick. And once we do that, we apply the LED lights to the back of the TV. Then we'll do the electrical connections. I started with the cable end down here where the cables and stuff are for my TV, for cable management, so I can keep all the cables together. This also has soft wiring at the ends so that you can make turns. You don't want to bend these LEDs, you want the LED parts to go in a straight line. Got these stuck on there. Make sure they're stuck down really good. These soft cable ends can be kind of folded down so they don't stick up. It came with some clips that you're supposed to put at the ends of them, but I've not had good luck with those clips in the past. I had the same style clip with a different backlight that I had on my TV before, and they didn't stick very well. Next we have the camera, and the camera has a piece of plastic film over, so you want to make sure you take that off. And it also has double-sided tape on it, and you use that to stick to the top of your TV, and you want that centered in the middle of your TV. I have seen people stick these cameras to the bottom of their TV, but the instructions do say the top. Next we're going to hook up the controller. It also has double-sided tape so you can stick it to the back. And it has 3 plugs on it, a USB-C, a USB-A, and a power connector on it. The USB-C is where the LEDs hook to, right here. Plug that in. USB-A is where the camera hooks to. And of course the power connector is where you plug in your power cord and wall cord. The next thing we need to do is install the Govee Home app. Alright, I've downloaded the app, Govee Home. And the instructions say to press the plus to add a device. We'll search here to find my device. And this is a model H6199. Not sure if you need to create an account or not. I'm going to go ahead and create one. Alright, I created an account. I'm going to click on my model again. Click on the H6199. And it started to pair. It looks like it's done. Click done. Now it wants my password for my Wi-Fi. It's pairing with my Wi-Fi at the moment. Now it wants me to prepare for calibration. These are the calibration pads that came with it, and they have double-sided tape on the back. I need to stick these to the TV screen. Now we need to go back to the Govee Home app. And I have the stickers placed where they need to go. I'm going to click ready. And I do get an option for top or bottom. Mine is on the top. So it looks like they do support a bottom mount camera. Select top. Confirm. Next it wants to know if I've installed these clockwise or counterclockwise. And I have installed these clockwise, and this is looking from the back of the TV. So I'm going to select clockwise. Now I need to drag the points on the picture at the top to the edges of the screen, and it's not real easy to see the screen, the TV screen, so I'll do this the best I can. It wants to know the four corners. Now it says slightly adjust the yellow point to the border of the screen and then click submit. Best I can tell, that looks correct. Calibration is successful and I can upgrade. We'll do that later. I'm going to turn off the light in here and we'll watch some video and see what the backlight looks like. Alright y'all, that's going to do it for this one. I really like this backlight setup. It's pretty cool. It definitely enhances video that you watch. So I hope you enjoyed this video and hopefully you learned something from it. And maybe it'll help you install yours if you decide to get one. Thanks for watching guys. Make sure you like. Make sure you subscribe. See ya.